Okay, hello everyone. Let us now do another example. We have here y double prime minus 5y prime plus 4y is equal to 8e raised to x. Now this will be a little bit different from the previous example. Okay, so let's start finding yc. So we apply the same procedure. First, we need to find the associated homogeneous equation. So that is y double prime minus 5y prime plus 4y is equal to 0, right? So what is our auxiliary equation for this? We have m squared minus 5m plus 4 is equal to 0. Now, let's factor this out. M minus 4 multiplied by m minus 1 is equal to 0. Applying the zero product property, m is equal to 4 and m is equal to 1 here. So this is again case number 1 of the auxiliary equation method. So our yc will be c1 e raised to the 4x plus c2 e raised to x. Okay, so that is our complementary function. Okay, so next step is to find our yp. Yp, or our particular solution, using the method of undetermined coefficients. Now let's take a look at our g of x. Now our g of x, so a good guess for this would be yp is equal to a e raised to x, right? Okay, so let's try this. So let's substitute it to our equation. So y prime of p is equal to a e raised to x, and y double prime of p is equal to, it's the same thing, a e raised to x. Okay, so let's try it. So a e raised to x minus 5 times a e raised to x again plus 4 times what's this, a raised I can't talk anymore. A 4 times a e raised to x is equal to 8e raised to x. So it's becoming quite of a tongue twister, a and e. Okay, so let's try this. What do we have here? A e raised to x minus 5 a e raised to x plus 4 a e raised to x is equal to 8 e raised to x. So what do we have here? This will, as you can see, this is 5 a e raised to x. This will all cancel out. So we will get 0 is equal to 8e raised to x. Now, is this a true statement? So this is false, right? So this is very false. So what happened? Why did this happen? So let's take a step back. Okay, what happened was, as you can see, our guess in this case is wrong, because if we take a look at our guess, the form is a, any arbitrary constant, multiplied by e raised to x, right? That is our guess. But if you take a look at our complementary function, we also have a solution right here, which is c2, which is also an arbitrary constant, multiplied by e raised to x. So they are both of the same form. Okay? Now, they are both of the same form. We know that c2 e raised to x, e raised to x is a solution to this function right here, right? So definitely it will evaluate to 0. Okay? So how do we solve this problem? How do we solve this problem? How do we find the solution of our yp then? Then according to ZIL, the reference, ZIL of 2018, the book, our reference in the module. So we can take inspiration from the case 2 of the auxiliary equation method. So instead of using this, which we know will lead to a instead of using this guess, which we know will lead to a false statement, we can multiply x to it. Remember, if we have the same root, we have root with the multiplicity of n, we multiply x, right, to the same initial root. So what we're going to do here is we're going to modify our guess. We're going to multiply x to it. So we have here a times x e raised to x. Okay, so let's see. Let's try this. Okay, so let's make this now our new guess. Okay, so let's just rewrite it. So our new guess right now is yp is equal to x e raised to x. Okay, so this is now our new guess. right? So let's take the first derivative of this. Y prime of p is equal to, now this is a e raised to x, right? And then plus a e raised to x. Now y double prime of p will be, we have here ax e raised to x plus a e raised to x, and then another a e raised to x. Okay, so y double prime of p will be ax e raised to x plus 2a e raised to x. Okay, so we have right here our second derivative, our first derivative, and our y. We are now ready to substitute our original equation. Okay, let's do that. So we have here ax e raised to x plus 2a e raised to x minus 5 times ax e raised to x plus a e raised to x plus 4 times ax e raised to x. Okay, it's equal to 8 e raised to x. Let's try. Okay, let's move this a bit to the left because we're losing space. Oh, what happened here? Let's try it here. Okay, so let's just simplify this. We have ax e raised to x plus 2a e raised to x, so minus 5a x e raised to x plus 5a, minus, this will be minus 5a e raised to x plus 4a x e raised to x equal to 8 e raised to x. Okay, so let's see how we can simplify this. So let's add like terms. As you can see right here, we have here, we will cancel this out. We can cancel this out, this one, and this one also, right? So you will then be left with negative 3a e raised to x, then is equal to 8 e raised to x. Okay, so you can cancel this out, and then you will get a is equal to 8 all over negative 8 all over 3. Okay, so our particular solution, so we arrived at a, so our guess was correct. So our particular solution is therefore a, so negative 8 over 3 x e raised to x. So this is our particular solution. So what is now our general solution? Our general solution is therefore y is equal to c1 e raised to 4x plus c2 e raised to x minus 8 over 3x e raised to x. Okay, this is now our final answer. Okay, so let's take a look at another example in the next video. See you in the next video.